I am Mr. Mohammad Shamim Hussain, General Manager, Yamato Singapore Pvt Ltd, Bangladesh Liaison Office. You know, 4 days garments technology is running on. It has started 11 of January and it will end at 14 January. Here we have exhibited all of our latest technology. You know, Bangladesh garments industry is rapidly growing and world all value-added buyers are aiming at Bangladesh. So, for swing of this value-added product, Yamato have introduced lot of latest technology as well as state-of-the-art technology. This we have bring here knit automation, oven automation, active wire, outer wire, and lingerie product automated machine. So big number of visitors are gathering. They have come from different garments factories, buying house, and on big festive mood in everybody to see our these types of technology, because our aim to increase the productivity and lower the cost. So efficiency is our main issue. You know, the competitiveness is worldwide. So how we can produce high efficient garments and reduce the cost, this is our main aim. So by considering everything, Yamato has introduced these types of machine, and this 4 days garments technology we are exhibiting these types of latest technology machine. In future we are planning to bring more technology to get more efficient product, to get less cost and to compete in the worldwide in market scenario. This is all. Thank you.